can now create automated email and text reminders for quotes and invoices in Skedit. These automations help keep potential customers engaged with open quotes and remind current customers about invoices that are due or past due. To view your automations, go to Settings. Click Email SMS, and then click Automations. Here you will see all the pre-built automations for your quotes and invoices. To begin using any of these automations, simply toggle the switch in the corner of the automations you want to use. If you would like to edit any of the automations, click the Edit button. First, you'll determine whether these automations are for quotes or invoices. Next, determine which customer types can receive this automation. Here, you can select your desired delivery method, text or email. Then you will set conditions that will determine when you start and stop sending the automations. Choose whether you want to begin sending the automation if the quote or invoice email was opened, the quote or invoice was viewed, or if the email was not opened. If you want to send it regardless of this status, select Any. Then, determine when to stop sending these automations. You can choose to stop sending them based on receipt of payment or approval of a quote. Next, you can determine when the automation is sent. It can be sent relative to the quote or invoice date, calendar date, or best time to send. The best time to send is an option that will track when your customers open or view their quotes and invoices and send on that day of the week and time of day. For this example, we will set it relative to the quote date and keep it at 2 days after the quote date. If you would like to resend the same automation, you can do so by clicking the box. Then you can choose how often and how many times you resend the message. Here, you'll be able to view the templates that we have pre-written. There's a professional, friendly, and bold option. Then click Save Automation. You can also create your own automations by clicking Custom Automations. First, name your automation. Next, you will manage the automation settings as before, choosing what document, customer, delivery type, and conditions will apply to your automation. Then, unlike before, you will write your own message, beginning with the subject line. Now you can enter the body of your message. To further customize this message to your customers, you can insert the fields down below. It will auto-populate the customer's name, job name, invoice number, amount, or the payment link on the customer's file. Simply click the field you want to apply, and it'll be added into the message. Then click Save. Now that you have your automation set up in Skedit, you can easily follow up with customers without wasting time resending the same quotes or invoices. For more tips and tricks, check out the videos linked below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.